Uh, Hello, viewers. Welcome to our the video channel, the Smart Data Learners. This channel is basically a free resource for all those who are interested in learning learning data related tasks such as data analysis, data business intelligence, and variety of other tasks using different tools. Uh, so myself have been working in this data analysis field for quite some time, and I have uh, mastered, or I have learned, I have a hands-on experience on variety of tools, and now I decided that I will prepare some free resources on what I have learned. So people new those who are interested in this field can learn from my experience as well as from current data environment. So basically, what we will be working in this, what will be the goal of our this channel. So right now, I have already uploaded some interesting and very user-friendly videos where people can learn SQL databases, which are uh, learning SQL database using very user-friendly tools. For example, I have a comprehensive video on Microsoft Access, which covers all the details of the relational databases, queries, uh, understanding how to enter the data into the tables, and then generating reports and some data analysis from data we have entered in. So I will give the links of this video also. So I also have created a free video on Power BI where we have created a small project to very beginner for very beginner viewers, those who are very new to Power BI or data visualization. I will give links of that as well. And in addition to that, I've also utilized Crystal reports, SAP Crystal reports, and developed some reports on SAP Crystal report. So I will give the links of this video also. So it's a free resource where people can see how they can generate or create reports by connecting to different data sources. So basically, this channel will try to make things easier for our viewers, so they can enter into the field of data analytics from variety of from variety of backgrounds. It's not my target are non-technical people, and that's what I have done all my career to train people who have no background in the relating to the data or anything, because this they can they are these tools are very user friendly now, and people can they have a domain knowledge. The people have the domain knowledge, and based on their domain knowledge they can utilize these tools, and then they can prepare data analysis, business intelligence reports, and as well as they can move to the data science or relating fields. So let's start what we will be what's the roadmap we will discuss in this for uh, for BI and data analysis. So that is let me again emphasize, it's from beginners to the advanced learners, right? So from beginners to advanced learners, and in this first we will my goal is to To make it simple, the introduction to business intelligence and data analysis. Our objective would be understand what BI is and its importance in data-driven decision making. Right? Key concepts. What is BI? What difference between BI and data analysis? BI means business intelligence and data analysis. So we will also discuss overview of BI tools, which includes uh, Power BI, Tableau, SQL, etc. So mastering, number two, we will also focus on mastering from beginner to mastering Microsoft Power BI. Objective, learn to create dynamic dashboards and reports. Key topics, Power BI desktop basics, data transformation using Power Query, building interactive dashboards, publishing and sharing reports. So number three would be learning SQL for data analysis. So that would, our third objective would be to learn SQL for data analysis. Objective, mastering SQL for querying, analyzing and managing data. Topics, writing basic queries, select, where, join, aggregate functions and data groupings, advanced SQL like CTEs, Windows functions and optimizations. We'll look into that, but already have some resources in this channel, and feel free to explore these. Then we have data visualization tools. Data visualization with Tableau. Objective would be learn how to visualize data effectively. Key topics would be creating basic charts, bars, pie line, etc. Dashboards and story creation using Tableau, prep for data cleaning. Advanced BI concepts. So in the advanced BI concepts, we'll dive into advanced concepts to manage and analyze data more effectively. Key topics would be DAX formula in Power BI, data modeling and relationships, and real-world use cases, inventory management, sales analysis, human resource matrices. So there are already there are some resources I have already uploaded, which I myself created, and feel free to review these. Number 6, practical projects and portfolio development. We'll look into that also. Apply learned skills to real world problem and build a portfolio. Sales, for example, sample projects. We will create sample projects, sales performance dashboards, employee turnover analysis, manufacturing analytics reports. And these are the topics we will cover in this channel, and I will keep on uploading these free resources created by myself. So because the reason I am uploading, because that reinforces my understanding when I create the videos, that solidify what I have learned, and once I created the video for other people, other viewers, they will learn, and then we will exchange, and that's how the knowledge enhanced both sides, for the viewers as well as from myself. So I hope this channel will be useful for all those who want to learn data related fields. So thank you very much. Have a great day.